Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And do not forget to check out the Forex Analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And if you have watched my previous video, then hopefully you have made good profit out of it, because many of you have texted me personally that you all have made profit and also thanked me. I was overwhelmed and quite happy also because you all are making good profit from my analysis. Anyways, let's try to understand what is going on in the chart of Euro USD for today and what should be our strategy. So we will be trying to understand the chart step by step. Okay, so stay tuned, don't get impatient. So first and foremost, if we look at the chart of Euro USD here, then there should not be any doubt that this market is in downtrend. Yes, Euro USD is still in downtrend. It means that number of sellers are quite higher in comparison to number of buyers. And as we all know, the basic rule, the thumb rule of the market says follow the trend. Follow the trend means if a market is in uptrend, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. On the other hand, if a market is in downtrend, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. And as you can clearly see that Euro USD is in downtrend. Therefore, if we follow the basic rule, the thumb rule, we should mainly look for selling opportunities. Clear? Okay. So we have the trend of the market, overall trend of the market right now. And if we look at the present trend of the market here, then we can still see that market is in downtrend. Generally, we see that if a market is in downtrend, then there is a possibility that present trend may be sideways or uptrend. Okay, there may be a mismatch with the overall trend and the present trend. But in the case of Euro USD, the present trend is also towards the downside and overall trend is also towards the downside. Therefore, in a scenario like this, it is always wise to take side of the sellers, because this is a seller's market. This is a pure seller's market. So we have the trend of the market right now. So the next important thing that we need to focus here is area of value. If you have watched my other videos, then you have seen me speaking about area of value in hundreds and hundreds of videos, because I believe that area of value is extremely important. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot in a market. In an uptrend market, the area of value or the best buying opportunity is always near the support, whereas area of value in a downtrend market is always near the resistance. So if a market is in downtrend, then the best trading opportunity will always be near the resistance. And as you can clearly see that Euro USD is in downtrend, and I have already drawn few lines here on the chart. So the first and foremost, I would like to talk about this trend line. As you can clearly see that this trend line is acting as a dynamic resistance for the market for quite some time. Or in simple words, whenever market was trying to go up, this trend line was acting as a resistance and market failed to go up. So this trend line is a very much strong resistance for the Euro USD chart. So my dear friends, I'll request you to draw this trend line on your charting platform if you do not have this line till yet. So please draw this trend line. So this is your first trading opportunity, because this is a very much strong resistance on the Euro USD chart. And if I zoom in, then you can see that right now market is just standing at the resistance. And to be honest, it seems to be a very good opportunity to short the market right now, because see, things are almost in our favor here. Okay, so market is in downtrend, market is standing at resistance, and there are few things also that I would love to discuss right now. Okay, so market is in downtrend, it is standing at resistance. Clear? The next important thing is the chart of DXY, the chart of US dollar. You can see that US dollar is in uptrend, and if you have been trading Forex for quite some time, then you know it very well that it has a direct correlation with the Euro USD. If dollar goes up, euro goes down. If dollar goes down, euro goes up. And right now, dollar is in such a position that there is a good possibility that US dollar will be going up. You can see that US dollar is bullish. Okay, just the opposite of euro is the okay. US dollar is bullish and just standing at the support and ready to rock again, ready to go up again. And if it's really starts going up from here, then definitely euro USD will be going down. And therefore, euro USD may go down. And apart from the resistance and the trend, US dollar is also giving us the confirmation that yes, there is a good possibility Euro USD will be going down. Therefore, you can initiate a short position here. You can initiate a sell position here on the Euro USD chart, and just keep in mind that your stop loss, okay, your stop loss will be above this red line, okay, above this red line. And I will request you, my dear friends, that please follow proper risk management and do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. Because see, this is just the analysis, this is my analysis. I may be wrong also, and as we all know, we retail traders like you, retail traders like me, we do not drive the direction of the market. So anything may happen in the market. Therefore, the first duty, the most important duty of a trader is to protect his capital. You can only protect your capital if you follow proper risk management. Therefore, short the market here, market is in good position, and eventually also uh, follow proper risk management. And just keep in mind that if you short the market here, your take profit target will be 1.1710. This will be your take profit target because this is a support from the weekly chart. Let me show you. This is the weekly chart of Euro USD here, and because I have been recommending buy at 1.1710 level, so therefore definitely you should come out. Okay, definitely you should come out at 1.1710 level. Okay, because from 1.1710, if market takes support, okay, then definitely there may be a good bounce also. So do not take any risk right now. So right now the market seems to be in a position to short the market, but just keep in mind you need to exit by 1.1710 level. Okay, because this is the weekly chart. And if you have watched my other videos, then you know I have explained clearly how important 1.1710 level is, because this is a level from the weekly chart. Okay. And if you look at the Forex sentiment meter here, you'll find a Forex sentiment meter on my website abhilashhazarika.com under Forex 101 section. This is a Forex sentiment meter, and you can see that 60% retail traders have taken short position and 39% retail traders have taken long position. So generally, to be honest, I prefer to take trades against the sentiment of the retail traders because 90% retail traders lose money. But this time, our sentiment is aligned with the sentiment of the retail traders, I believe. Anyways, they are also taking a short position, and I also think that market is in a good position to short the market. So if you want to short the market, you can short the market. Just follow proper risk management. That's it. Okay. And my dear friends, recently I have also introduced a pro trader membership program for just $15 per month, where I'll be sharing the best trading opportunities on the market available. If you want to know more in detail, you can just have the information here. Just click on the know more button. It will take you to a different page, okay, where you'll get all the information in detail. If you're interested, just click on the subscribe button. That's it. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow.